Hey guys, Tesla Tim here. I wanted to give you a status update of the channel, of what's going on in my life and going forward. So this is my son's Model 3. We just did a video on that. This is our Megatron. And so we basically got rid of our red Model S. I'm sure you heard about that, and our black Model X. The black Model X became Megatron. The red Model S, I was just gonna keep one Tesla, and it ended up becoming a black Model Y. We named it Grimlock. And then we have a white Model Y, which is my daughter's car. And then my other daughter got a Model 3. So we've become like a Tesla family, but I haven't really filmed a lot of it. I've been really busy. My wife actually got cancer of her tongue. So we had to battle with that. She survived it. She battled it. She's doing really good. It's pouring out there. And so I just wanted to give you guys a kind of an update of what's going on with me. That there's our vehicles side of it. And then we end up moving houses as well. My youngest daughter got married, which I'll throw a photo like up here or something. And you guys can see, I'll show you a photo of that, maybe a video. And then we moved houses. We moved from our old house to a new, bigger house, which is kind of a good story too. My son-in-law my daughter who married my future son-in-law, who's now my son-in-law for real. His parents were looking to sell their place. Their place is pretty amazing. It's 5 acres in the country. And we looked at it, and we've been at our old place for like 23 years. So we decided to purchase their house and sell our old one. It worked out really good. So that's where we've been filming. If you guys see any of our new drone videos or Tesla videos, it'll be on our new property and stuff like that. So that's that area. Going forward with the channel, we rebranded it, renamed it to, instead of Tesla Tim, it's gonna be the Tesla channel. And we're gonna be doing tons of Tesla videos, going on vacations, new UI updates and stuff like that. And then we're gonna do drone videos on there too of Teslas. We have a new channel we've also started called the Drone Channel. So if you guys haven't seen that already, go ahead and check it out. It's pretty cool. We're actually trying out the DJI Vata 2 drone, which is pretty freaking awesome. FPV. You're in goggles while you're flying it. And then we just got the email for the Cybertruck saying that it's ready to build it. I wasn't ready for it. I'm like 2025 is when I was thinking I'd be ready for it. So now it's forcing my hand. I'm not gonna say no. It's going to be a Founders Edition. It's gonna cost a little bit more money than I wanna spend, but it's an investment. I think it'll grow the channel. It's so awesome. I'm waiting for it. I've been wanting a truck. So I'm going to get that. I don't know yet. I haven't got a delivery date yet, but everything's all good to go. Financing's good to go. So we're just waiting for that to happen. We're going to be keeping all of our Teslas. We're going to have the Model Y, the Model X, and our Cybertruck, along with our son's Model 3 he pays for, and then my two daughters, their Tesla. So we'll have like 6 Teslas, I think. So we'll do tons of videos on that. I'm also going to be doing Turo, renting out our Model X. So Megatron's going to start getting rented out because I'm gonna have the Cybertruck. I'll be driving that as my daily driver. My wife loves the Y, nothing against our X, but she loves driving the Y around. It's like a smaller truck SUV crossover for her, and Megatron will get neglected. So I figured to make a little side money while Megatron's still not paid off yet, we'll try Turo and see how that goes. If any of you guys have done Turo with your Teslas, let me know. I'm not sure what to do. I've been researching. I know we have to give like access to people that are renting our vehicles, but I don't know like how it's gonna go. Like my wife's afraid that somebody's gonna abuse the car. I know they do have like insurance and stuff on there, but that's gonna be a new journey. And we'll do a video on that, like our first Turo, and then different videos to follow on that journey. Maybe we'll do a playlist called Turo. But that's basically where I'm at. Yeah, a lot has happened in my life, and I haven't really posted a lot. We did like update the channel a lot, so you'll see like thumbnails that look cartoonish. I found a really nice AI company, like an app that will help me make better thumbnails and make better titles and tags and stuff to get, more views on the channel to kind of grow it. It's kind of crazy because it's been a while since I posted videos. There's like a huge lull in like a year of not posting videos. Post a lot of YouTube shorts, and YouTube basically shut like we're not monetized at the moment because we need because we're inactive, we didn't post any real videos, just shorts. So they shut us down, and now we have to reapply to get monetized. So we need like 4,000 We have enough subscribers, but we need like 4,000 viewed hours. So I think we're at like 1,012 or whatever. So we're working on that. So I just need that to get there. So when the Cybertruck gets here, the Cybertruck's gonna blow that up for real. As soon as we get it, it's gonna blow it up for sure. Anyways, enough of me mumbling. We'll see you guys in the next video. Again, we're back. My son's gonna be on the channel, Zach. One of my employees, Jake, which is my son's best friend, he'll be on the channel as well, the drone channel and the Tesla channel. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up. So that's the update on Tesla Tim, the Tesla channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.